we are visiting the second grade today with Mrs. Hertzler. Just knock and come on in. Hello, Miss Hertzler. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to second grade.
Thank you. I have some questions for you. What is your favorite school event?
My favorite school event is the back to school cleanup because everyone gets together and everyone gets to help clean up the school.
That's wonderful. So what's your favorite unit of inquiry?
My favorite unit of inquiry is our matter unit. And if you come over here, you can see some of our work. So the kids we post work up here as well. This is where they can find our theme, or which one it is, because we have 6 of them, and it has our central idea, lines of inquiry, and transdisciplinary theme up here. And then we post some work up here for them to look at. So we work on figuring out the 3 states of matter, which is a solid, liquid, and gas, and they get to do some interactive things. And then we made Chiron floats, so it had a solid, liquid, and gas. Then we did a gas explosion of Mentos and Coke. So they get to do a lot of experiments and really get to dive in and learn about solids, liquids, and gases.
That's amazing. Tell me, what's your favorite book to read to the class?
My favorite book to read to the class is Going to the Rainforest, because we do a unit on ecosystems at the end of the year, and we get to go outside and we get to explore, and it just lets them look, kind of takes them back to a younger year and when they were little, because most kids love to be read to at this point still, because you have to remember that. And so it's one of the books that we just get to dive into with our units, so that's really fun.
Oh my goodness. Well, what are you reading?
I'm actually reading, as a whole school, all of our teachers this summer are reading The Courage to Teach. I have not started it yet, but I'm super excited because it was actually on my summer reading list.
And what's your favorite part of the classroom?
My favorite part is up here at the front, which is where everything happens with our smart board, and everyone, they can sit on the rug, or if they sit at this table, they sit here, and then we all just kind of learn together.
And what's your favorite school supply?
My favorite school supply is sticky notes, because I use them for everything. The kids use them to put in their books as bookmarks. We write on them and we post them around the room for things. It's just they're so versatile.
What about your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science. That goes back to our matter unit. So the kids had so much fun, they loved it, and I did too, because we got to do a lot of hands-on things.
So what are you most excited for about next year?
My students. Next year I'm excited for the next group, to get them and to love on them and to let them get to know me, and so I can get to know them.
What about your favorite learning resource?
That would be between books and iPads in this classroom. We do a lot of research, and we have some inquiry units that are based with research, so we learn about the countries around the world and where we come from. So they get to research with books, and they get to get on iPads as well and research their countries.
So what is your favorite part of being an IB educator here at MDS?
The fact that we get to really cater to the students. We get to make it what they want. We can take it in the way that they go and say, if this kid really loves to learn about liquids, all right, let's do something cool with it, and just go with it.
So outside of Morganton Day School, what hobbies do you have?
I like to go snowboarding in the wintertime. I love to go fishing. I like to go disc golfing and backpacking.
Wow, you seem very adventurous. What do you love most about this age of your students?
That they are learning independence, but they still need and want that closeness to their teacher and their parents, and they just want to be loved, but yet they also have the time when they can be independent and like, I can do this on my own.
That's wonderful. Well, thank you so much for all you do for our students, Ms. Hertzler. I'm going to get out of here, but I hope you have a wonderful day.
You're welcome. Bye.